What's going on, guys? So tomorrow I'm going to be going to New Jersey for the Honda Acura Mega Meet, but I wanted to try to at least get the car aligned. If not, it's not like a big deal. The car's not that bad out of line, but I definitely want to put on this new fender liner because I am rubbing a little bit on the fender lining I never changed, and so I guess it's just hanging down a little bit. The new one is more secure and more I guess together and stronger compared to the other one. The other one is like been on there for like since I got the car and it's flimsy. But here's the fender liner, and got everything set up that I need to take the wheel off. I wasn't going to vlog this because it's just swapping out the fender liner, but I was like, hey, I might as well add this to the video and share with you guys putting on the new fender liner, just sharing my whole day, because I'm gonna try to upload this video today before tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna be recording all day a Honda Acura Mega Meet. So definitely want to try to knock this out as quick as possible. I ran into some issues, I guess last night when I was driving the car. I noticed that over here was like making a weird noise, like on the strut, or when you shake the wheel you would hear like a weird clicking noise. So what I did was come over here and tighten up the nut right there on top of the strut, and it was actually loose. And I was like, really? I did like a whole like 360. I did like a whole turn, like I was like this, and then the whole thing just moved and just got tight. And I was like, wow. I hope that's the problem, but I was just like, wow, really? You're the reason why I was making all that noise yesterday on my way home. I thought like the suspension was gonna, I thought something was like gonna fall apart, or something was just loose. But it is what it is. I guess after a while, vibration, and this car does vibrate a lot with the freaking loud, well, not loud, medium loud exhaust, because this exhaust is not as loud. But I wanted to share that with you guys today, installing the new fender liner. Today, don't have really much. There is a car show today, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to it because I'm gonna be definitely driving out to New Jersey, and then you guys already know about them gas prices. Them gas prices are already like $3.30 right now, and we're just like the beginning of June, so gas prices are up right now, which is not like a big deal, but at the same time, you guys know how it is. Summertime, you know what happens come summertime. A lot of money spent. This thing is super light, guys. Light as hell. Alright guys, if you want to know how to change the fender liner, I'll post a link to the video in the description so you guys can see. But I'm gonna do it now. I gotta take out my bolts for the side skirts. Gotta take these out. This is a pretty dope clip. I wish Honda made all clips like this. This would have made my job easier. So it's kind of like a fill up and a flathead clip, and you stick it in and then you just screw it in. I wish I could find some more clips like these to make your job a lot easier instead of these regular J clips, which is a pain in the butt most of the time. Surprised, I'm not even breaking any of these clips, surprisingly. The other side, I broke so many clips, it was ridiculous. Alright, this coming is falling down now, but I am missing all the clips today, guys. That was a mess. So right now I'm continuing putting in the clips. I put some of them in. I guess my dumb self didn't hit the record button, but I'm putting some more of the clips in. Oh guys, look. No wonder I'm rubbing. The whole thing, as you guys can see, ripped right there. Shaking my head, guys. Can't believe so. Can't believe that. But yes, I cannot believe that, guys. But it happens, right? Things happen. This car is what? I had this car for 6 years now. It's bound to happen. But the old one, old fender liner is flimsy as hell and so gray. So definitely time to upgrade for sure. What's going on, guys? So right now I'm editing the video and I wanted to include the other video I did for my friend, the guy that has the SRT Dodge Charger. I did like an edit for his car and I'm gonna post that in this video. So if you guys like the video, definitely smash the like button. Tomorrow I'm gonna be going down to New Jersey. Definitely, hopefully the weather holds up. I know it's supposed to rain just a little bit, but hopefully the weather holds up and it becomes a great turnout. So I cannot wait to meet some of you guys, and also I cannot wait to see all the dope cars that come out to the Honda Acura Mega Meet tomorrow in New Jersey. So that's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.